Hello, today I'm going to show you how to edit the settings of your car, of your Audi A4 S401 using the multimedia interface. Let's have a seat and we are going to check now the car settings on our car or in our car with using our multimedia interface. This is located over here to make a setup. And it's, of course, you can see it in the front of you in the cockpit. To navigate in this system, ignition should be on. You can use this device here. This is a joystick. You can go up and down. You can agree or go to the settings by pushing it down. You can go left, right, up and down with that button too. Left button, right button available. And of course, you have here a back button that means go one step back. Or if you are nearly somewhere deep in the folders, you can go to menu, then you're back in business on the main screen. So now let's perform here a clear setup of our car, interior and additional parts of our car. So we navigate now to car settings. You can now make an edit of the seats. You can edit the driver's seat or the passenger seat. Of course, if you are have more stuff built in, here you can, for example, save these settings. If you have motors to edit this driver's seat, for example, you can save that here to the keys and something else. In my case, it's an automatic belt tensioner. If you like this automatic belt tensioners, then you can switch it off, or by pushing you can switch it off or on as you like. This is an emergency stuff, of course, but it is good to switch that setting on. The same you can make that the passenger seat too as you like. But this is an overview of your car menu and what you can handle there to make a better and comfortable way on the road with your car. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.